Hey everyone, welcome to the trading floor's 25 days of Tradesmas. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video to find out how you can win $1,000.
So for the last several months, I've been using DeLorean in a certain way, trying to find a very mechanical way of trading, which I believe using DeLorean on the 1 minute during the Tokyo session and having the 15-minute PA toolkit with these settings to be profitable. When you're first learning, I think it's really important to have something that is completely mindless to be able to trade, so that, find something that, for instance, this particular system that I have that gives me a 2.2 risk to reward, and it works, 42% of the time. So it's profitable. And so I find that while you're learning, I think it's good to have something like this in place so that you can be making money while you're honing your craft. You're finding something that you can trade, or a style that you can trade. As we can see from the 15-minute Tokyo session started just here. We pushed up and then we immediately took back the initial push that we got. And we had a little bit of consolidation, price push below the fib area, which flipped my fib from bullish to bearish. And we didn't really have too much going on for a little while. And as we were coming up towards midnight, and then obviously Frankfurt opens up over here, we did get another little push up to claim possibly some liquidity from over here. My eyes would see this push and think, okay, well, maybe we're going to retrace a little bit higher on the, maybe we were going to claim this. Now, my back testing, my way of DeLorean was actually telling me that I should be getting into a sell, which I did take. So this push up, I put the anchored VWAP on it. Now I was a little bit delayed. Sorry, I wasn't delayed. I was a little bit, because of market execution, I entered in a little bit lower than this one here. Obviously we got another DeLorean sell signal just here. So my stop loss was here and my take profit was here. So for instance, with the anchored VWAP, if I have the candle, if it is between the yellow and the blue, then I will set my stop loss to this red candle. If at any point the candle that creates the signal comes into this area here, I'll have my stop loss here when entering. So for instance, if this candle here, because it did enter into this area, I wouldn't have my stop loss here. I would move that back to here, and then vice versa. If I had, say for instance, a signal here, my stop loss would be all the way up here. Very mechanical way of looking at it. This required no higher time frame analysis apart from what you see to the right here. I did not use any aid of fair value gaps. I did not use any kind of confluences other than just my back testing. I knew that 42% of the time that this trade works out during this time, and fortunately this was one of the 42% that it did eventually. When I believe London opened up, I had to wait a little bit of time. London opened up and it did give me the push that I need. So yes, quite mindless, which is not always a bad thing. While you're learning, while you're honing your skills, having something like this that you back tested and that works and is profitable. It may not be the sexiest win rate, it may not be the 4 or 5 R's that you may want to get, but it's profitable. And while you're learning, I think it's something that everyone should consider.
Thanks for sticking around to the end. To be eligible for the free $1,000 giveaway, you just have to be able to receive a PayPal payment. To enter, like and comment below, and come back tomorrow for another video and another chance to enter.